Good day everyone, my name is Brian Richmond J. Tuazon. I'm from BSc 1F, and now I'll discuss the topic impulse of the subject Physics for Engineers. So now I will show you an example about impulse. A 990 kg vehicle strikes a fence at 18 meter per second and comes to a stop in 1 second. What average force acted on the vehicle? So, meron the vehicle na may mass na 990 kg. Yun ang kanyang initial velocity is equals to 18 meter per second. And ang sabi, and comes to a stop in 1 second. So, ang kanyang final velocity is 0. So, we have impulse is equals to change in momentum. So, since wala naman tayong given na impulse, i-expand lang natin Ft equals to change in momentum na M multiply to Vf minus Vi. So, sabi sa given, hahanapin natin yung force. So, divide both side by T. Cancel. F is equals to M or V final minus Vi over 9. And i-input lang yung mass 990 kg final na 0 minus initial 18 meters per second over time na 1 second dahil sabi and comes to a stop in 1 second. So 1. Then ang answer dyan pag kinalculate negative 17,820 Newton. So this is the final answer.